Alright, let's look at the rules for Unit 2 uh, operations. The operations that add, subtract, multiply, divide. So when we add integers, we can do this on a couple of different videos. But just to review, when we add integers, which are our positive and negative numbers, if we have the same sign, then we just add and keep that sign. So when I say same sign, there's two ways I can do that. I can say that I have 4 plus 7. Both are positive numbers, so that's the same sign. They're both positive, positive 4 and positive 7. We just add and we keep the sign, the positive 11 sign. Remember, when we have positive numbers, we don't have to show the positive sign if we don't want to. We could if we wanted to. We could say positive 4 plus positive 7 equals positive 8. And the other one that we're looking at with the same sign is two negative numbers. Negative 3 plus negative 8. They're both negative, so we keep the negative sign and we add the 3 and the 8 and the 8. The other way we can look at adding integers is when the signs are different, so one positive and one negative. So if we say 4 plus a negative 3, we have to follow the rule that says keep the sign of the one you have more of. When we say more of, we can see if we have more positive and more negative. Well, in this case, we have more positive. We have 4 positives and 2 negatives. So our answer is going to be positive. And then they say subtract. So we just take 4, subtract 3, and get 1. So our answer is going to be positive 1. And that's how we do all of those types of problems. So even if we have more negatives, we say we have 10 plus a negative 19. We know we have more positives. We know in this case we have more negatives than positives, so our answer is going to be negative. And then we take 19 minus 10 and get 9. So our answer is negative 9. Subtracting integers, I want you to think of what you know about subtraction. So that's one way we can do subtraction. And then we're going to look at it another way. First way is take away. So if we're looking at a typical way of subtracting positive numbers, we would say 11 minus 8. So we start with 11 and take away 8. That leaves us with 3. That's always been okay. The issue comes up when we have 11 minus and we try to take away more than what we actually have to take away. Then I want you to think of it as 11 plus negative 15. Add the opposite. Change the subtraction sign to a plus sign, and then change 15 to its opposite. So 11 plus 15. Now this is just an addition problem. We have more negatives than positives. So our sign's going to be negative in our answer, and then 15 minus 11 is 4. So there's two ways that we can look at subtraction. And then when you have a negative, negative 6, and you're asked to subtract, let's say, 5. Okay, so that can mean take away when you're taking away a positive amount, but it's weird because we don't know how to represent negative 6 in terms of quantity or things. So let's change this to have the opposite, negative 6 plus negative 5. And then we have an addition problem, so we follow the rules for addition. They're both the same sign, they're both negative, so our answer is going to be negative. We add them together, we get 11. And then the last one in that is when we're subtracting a negative. So we're over here. So we'll say 5 minus negative 3. We're going to change that to add the opposite. So that's going to become 5 plus 3, which is 8. And then moving on to multiplying and dividing integers. Multiplying and dividing have different sets of different rules than adding and subtracting, but they're not hard to learn, even memorize. So when you have two numbers of the same sign, so let's start with 2 positive numbers, 2 times 1. And you always have a positive answer. If the same sign means they're both negative, you're still going to have a positive answer. Just take 4 times 4, that's 16. Because it's a negative times a negative, you end up with a positive, so I'm going to change that to black. Same thing's true with dividing. You take 42 divided by 7, we get 6. If I take negative 42 divided by negative 7, we still get 6. 2 negatives, always a positive. And then if they have one of each sign, so 7 times negative 6, the rule is when one's positive, one's negative, you're always going to have an answer that's negative. So 7 times 6 is 42. Because the 6 was negative and the 7 was positive, we end up with negative 42. And if we do it the other way around, negative 7 times 6, we still have one positive, one negative, so our answer is going to be negative. Division is the same way. Negative 35 divided by 7, one's positive, one's negative, so our answer has to be 35 divided by negative 7, we have one positive, one negative, so our answer has to be. Those are the rules for adding, subtracting, multiplying,